हनुमते नमः।
Hello friends, welcome to the 11T YouTube channel. This one is Lenovo MBD. Its part number is LA-C851P. Okay, and this one is 6th generation MBD SoC motherboard. Okay, this one is right now it's getting on, but no display problem in this board. I have received from the dealer. Okay, so again before connecting power, we will check the impedance. Okay, so we will check the impedance of this MBD. Okay, so let's start checking the coils impedance. Ground is not okay. Ground is okay. This one is 546, no sorting. 16, 15 for the GPU. 258, 173, 16, 40, 14. These two are the standby. Okay, and this is good. Okay, no sorting on this MBD. Okay, and back side no coils. Okay, and this back side having a 19 volt line CLR. We will check the impedance of that CLR also. Okay, no sorting on the MBD. Okay, so we can connect power and let's check the condition. Okay, so let's connect power. Okay, after connecting power, okay, oh wait, let me set the DC supply first. 19 volt. Okay, 19 volt I have set. Okay, now let's connect the power. See the standby amp of this board is 014, 016. It's fluctuating. Okay, it's good. Standby is okay. Let's trick this MBD. This power button on the switch. So we will use the Novo button. Okay, this one is the Novo. Okay. Okay. After pressing Novo button, MBD light on and DC supply have taking some ampere. Okay, it's on but not completely on. Okay, so let's check the supplies what we are getting right now on this MBD. Okay, standby 5 volt, 3 volt, good. And I think so this one is for the RAM supply is missing. There is no RAM supply. Okay, and this one is for the PCS 1.05. Okay, 1.05. Okay, and then this one is for the PCH one. Okay, this one is good. Okay, now this one is for the VRM. Okay, see VRM supply will not come now because amp is very low. And now let's check the GPU. GPU is good, 1 volt. Okay, 1 volt. GPU is, this one is the battery coil I think. Okay, 0.22. It's good. And this one are the small coils 1.8. This one is for the 1.8. See, 1.8 also good. Okay, see, standby is okay. RAM supply not available. 1.05 okay, 1.8 okay, GPU okay. VRM having no supply because of the RAM coil having no supply. Okay, now this is the run of this board. Run IC. Let's check its run. See, it's also not switching well. Okay, input side 3 volt, output side 2 volt. Okay, and this one 5 volt input, but output no voltage. Okay, run is also not switching. Okay, run is missing. RAM supply is missing. So what we will do, we will go to SIMATIC and search for the RAM coil and its IC and its requirement, what we are getting. Okay, RAM supply is missing and run supply is missing. Okay, so let's go to SIMATIC and search for the coil PL502 is RAM coil. Okay, PL502. Okay, got it. This is the RAM coil 1.35 volt. Okay, and this is the RAM IC. Okay, so what we will do, we will check its requirement. Okay, its requirement means power, ground, enable. Okay, its power is power, where is the power? Pin number 11 is power, pin number 13 is its power. Okay, 11, 13 is power, 14 is ground, and its enable is pin number 7. Okay, and pin number 8. Okay, so let's check. Okay, now connect power, standby. Okay, okay, now let's check the MVD. Streak, it's not getting on. What happened? No, it's getting on properly. Okay, light is okay. Okay, and DC supply is taking. Okay, now let's check the supplies. Okay, so first we will check for the power, pin number 11 and 13. So 5, 10, 11 and 13. This is the 11. Okay, 5 volt is there. 12 and 13. Okay, 13 also supply is there, means power is okay. If let's check its BTST also. Okay, BTST. Okay, so BTST is 4 volt. Okay, 4.5. Okay, now it's enable. Okay, so enable is pin number 7 and pin number 8. So I need lanes for that. Okay, pin number 7, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7. See, in 7, pin number 7, supply is there. Okay, now for the pin number 8, 7 and 8. Okay, see, pin number 8 having no supply, 0 volt. It's clear, 0 volt. Okay, no supply on pin number 8 right now. Okay, so pin number 8 is missing. Let's check pin number 8 from where it's coming and where it's connected. Okay, so again go to SIMATIC. Okay, pin number 8 is system on. Okay, SYS on. Okay, it's capacitor not available. It's a resistor also not available. It's having a pad. Okay, so let's search for the system on. System on. See, this system on also going to its run IC. Okay, run IC UC5. UC5 or run IC in this board. Okay, it's enable line. Okay, run IC. Run IC. Okay, now we will go to its birthplace also. It's coming out from IO. Okay, IO pin number 95. IO pin number 95. Okay, in this board IO is NPC 388. Okay, system on is missing right now. That's why RAM IC is not getting enabled. Okay, so if we want to check on the IO, we will check on the IO also. Okay, pin number 95 of IO. First check the MVD. MVD is on. Okay, let's check the grounding first. Okay, grounding is not well. Pin number 95. Okay, this one is 96. Okay, 95 having a capacitor connected on it. Okay, 0 volt. I am checking on the IO pin number 95. Okay, it's 0 volt. Okay, IO is not releasing its system on. Okay, now see, in this board there are two problems. Na? First problem, RAM having no supply. Okay, because of system on is missing. Now then a second problem is this run IC is also not switching. Okay, let's check its enable. what's the enable of this run IC? U13. Okay, this is the U13. It's connected with susp has. Okay, in this board I think so this one also missing pin number 2 and 4. Okay, let's check susp has is there or not. Okay, I'm waiting on. Okay, pin number 1, 2, 2 and 4 both are connected, so 2 and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this one is also missing. susp has is also not available. So guys, see, as we know that system on and susp has both are missing, so what we will do, we will check its RTC section first. Okay, RTC is okay or not. Okay, so always check RTC section is CMOS mode, no? So this is the RTC JBAT1. Okay, let's go to JBATT1 JBAT1. This is the RTC. Okay, and PD101 is the diode. Okay, Schottky diode, and this output pin number 1. Let's check the supply. PD101. That's good. Okay, it's good. Okay, it's good. Let's go to its RTC reset and SRTC reset. Directly we will search for the test pad. Okay, so test pad. This one is the test pad. CLRP2. Okay, CLRP2. Okay, so this is the RTC reset and SRTC reset. Okay, let's check the voltage on the pad. Okay, pad one side is connected with ground and other side is connected with RTC reset. Okay, see, this one is the 3 volt. Okay, means RTC is also good. Okay, see, this board view is not available, so not, that's why it's not possible to not check every part of RTC section. Okay, it's little tough without board view to not check RTC section completely. Okay, so with the help of this we can say that RTC section is good. Okay, so guys, see, in this board right now, okay, RTC is good. Okay, but this board IO is unable to release its system on for the RAM IC and U13. Let's go to U13, and its enable is system on no susp has. Okay, susp has is coming here. Okay, coming here, and susp has no, let's add the rate. susp has 1.0 from where is coming? It's coming from IO also. Okay, means both supply is missing, system on and susp has both are not releasing from IO. So what we will do, we will go to IO and check its requirement. Okay, the basic requirement, just a basic requirement that IO is receiving proper power or not. Okay, see, as we know that in this board standby is okay, 1.05 is okay, and GPU supply is okay, 1.8 is okay. So let's go to the IO for other supplies. Okay, so we will just check the supplies of IO. Okay, let's trick this NVIDIA again. Okay, it's on. Okay, same condition, no ampere changes. So it's pin number 9 is this power. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, 3 volt is okay, power is there. It's a VCC. Okay, now AVCC pin number 67 64 65 66 67. Okay, AVCC also good. Okay, now is next P button out 122, pin number 122. Okay, so this one is 100, 122, no? That's 122. Okay, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23 and 22. This one is the pad. Okay, P button out is also there. Okay, means IO is releasing activation for the PCH. No, this one is the SoC board, means PCH and CPU combined, so IO is releasing. Okay, now SLP S4 123. No, S3 is not available. Okay, S3 is not available. Sorry, S4. Pin number 123 is S4. Pin number 123 is S4. Okay, see, P button out is available, but PMSLP S4 is missing. Now go to its pin number 124. Okay, V core F is there or not? 124. So 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it's 1.8 volt. That's okay, good. Okay, SUSP has is missing. Lead, I think this board lead switch is lead switch. Where is the lead switch of this board? Maybe in daughter board. Where? Okay, no issue. We'll check its lead switch. Pin number 114, 104. Sorry, 114, 97, 100, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. Sorry. Where is fluctuating? 114. No. It's 115. 114 is on off button. It's not clear. Sorry. 114 is on off. 115 is lead switch. Okay. So 115. This one. I think the ground is okay. This one is good. Okay, lead switch is okay. Okay, lead switch is okay. Now the RSM reset pin number 100, 97, 98, 99, 7, 8, 900. RSM reset is also good. Okay, IO is releasing everything, but it's not releasing system on and SUSP has. Okay, so guys, just tell me what we have to do next in this board. Okay, I am just waiting for your replies. Okay, just reply me what next we have to check in this board. Okay, is this a problem of IO or a CPU or whatever? Just tell me. Okay, so guys, thank you for the watching this video. Okay.
So if you want to get the knowledge on BIOS modding, you can just purchase our Hindi edition. All the videos are available already, and along with that there are many case studies as well as some videos theoretically on impedance and voltages are also there. With the help of DSO, how you can check the motherboard are also included on this videos. So complete package is of around 40 plus videos. You can, if you like, you can just purchase them. It is a full of knowledge. You can enjoy the videos, and it is 100% money back videos. Your money will not be wasted for that. So if you like to join our BIOS and schematics group, you can also contact us for joining that. As well as we also have a training program of laptop chip level, advanced level. If you like to join that, you can also come and join that. So thanks for watching Aditya 111TTT YouTube channel. If you like our channel, do hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment. Thanks a lot.